Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Today I would like to explain you about how to assign a domain in your hosting. So here I would like to explain how to do it through Bluehost shared server. So here is an account. So click on login. So you are redirecting to the dashboard. So when you logged into Bluehost shared, then you can see these are the features you have or options we have. So you can see the my sites and marketplace, email, office, and domains, list of domains, and marketing tools in advanced like file manager and email accounts. Most of the things are will be there in advanced. So uh, we just need to go to the domains and we need to assign a domain. So these are the domains we already assigned in this hosting. So I'm going to assign one more domain. So domain is already assigned. Then we can see that list here. If it is not assigned, uh, here the domain I want to assign in this hosting is ayurved.com. So it checks the DNS records. So since we are trying to add the domain in the Bluehost, we need to add a Bluehost related DNS records. Okay, these are the DNS records we have for this domain. So if we have any other default DNS records, then we need to change those DNS records to these NS records for Bluehost. Every service provider will have their own DNS records. So if you are trying to assign any domain in a GoDaddy, so then GoDaddy will provide you the DNS records. So we need to add these, we need to set up these DNS records in the domain control panel. So next time I'll try to explain you how to assign those DNS records in the control panel also, domain control panel. Now we are in a hosting control panel. So this is in hosting control panel. So here if you want to add the domain as a add-on domain, so like add-on domain means just is a domain name that points to the different subdirectory on your account. So we can create our own directory, different subdirectory, and there we need to upload all of our files related to this particular website. Okay, so park domain means is a domain name that points to the same directory as your primary domain. So every hosting will have their primary domain. Okay, so the ayurved.com is also will forward to the primary domain. So that means it's almost like a redirecting. So it's a one website for two different domains. Okay, so unassigned domain means just we assign the domain here, but it will not point to any website or any directory. So we call is a unassigned domain. So initially, if you don't have any website or if you don't want to show anything, then simply we will unassign domain. So next time we will have this option here, then we need to assign the domain through this option. Okay, so and park domain, and later if you want to forward to the existing directory or use an existing directory, then we need to choose these files. Okay, but I want to create a new directory for this website. Okay, so this is the folder that I'm going to create. Okay, and so we are going to create this folder in a public HTML. Okay, so the files which are related to this website or this domain, we need to upload those files to this directory in a public HTML. Okay, so after this just click on assign this domain. So it will take a few seconds to create this directory and assign the domain. So just we need to wait until it is loaded. So it won't show any progress here, but you can see the progress at bottom. So waiting for the server side tagging. Okay, so it's we're tagging the domain name in the hosting account. So let us wait. Okay, done. Okay, so you can see the domain name here, ayurved.com. Got it. So this is the domain is already assigned. So if you want to unassign, we can unassign here. After unassign, you can click on remove. Okay, so this is how we do it. Okay, so here now we need to go to advanced. So in advance, go to the file manager. So in the file manager, you can see this uh, Ayurved, ayurved.com. So empty domain was created here. So if you try to access something, so it won't show you any files because of we didn't upload any files to this directory. Okay, so let's go back and let us try to upload the files which are related to this application. So downloads and so let us wait until it is upload the files to the server. Okay, okay, it's uploaded. So click on this link and it will go to the file manager and we need to extract. Okay, all the files are extracted. The files and folders are extracted and reload. So you can see all the files and folders here. Okay, so now just go back to the domain and refresh it. Here you can see the website. So it's loaded. So this is how we assign the domain name and upload the files related to the website, and we can check it. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video. So please like, subscribe and comment if you have any suggestions. So if you have any suggestions, please let me know. We'll try to make those videos for you. Thank you. Thank you for watching.